So I'm going to solve a KenKen puzzle. I see that I have a 5 by 5 grid, so I have to use the numbers 1 to 5. I also have to keep in mind that I can only use the numbers 1 to 5 once in each column and row. The numbers in the corners tell me which operations to use to find this number. So I know that this and this number multiplied together give me 20. And I know that these three numbers added together give me 8. So to start, I like to place all the possible numbers inside to make solving for them much easier, which I have done here. I haven't done all of them, just the ones that I found simple. So when I look at this bottom row, I see that there's a 4 missing, and a 4 can go into one of these two squares. Now I know it can't be this one because the 4 is being used to make this equation true, so the 4 has to go here. The two numbers left here are a 2 and a 3. And this one's going to be 3 because 4 minus 3 equals 1, which makes this one a 2. And then this 2 is a standalone number, so I'm just going to place it there. I'm going to come to this column right here. I see for this equation to be true, a 2 has to be involved. Therefore, this 2 needs to be eliminated and replaced with a 5. And then a process of elimination gives me 2 here, a 1 here. So this 5 has already been used right here, so this is going to be a 3. And then now this 1 has already been used here, so this has to be a 5, and this is going to be a 2. I'm going to come back to this equation over here. 1 and 4, to make that true, this square right here has to be a 2. And now we're left to solve for these trickier ones. So I'm going to place these blue numbers inside to help me solve them. What I can see though is in this column right here, the only two numbers that are missing are 1 and 3. Same thing with this row right here. The only two numbers missing in this and this right here is 1 and 3. So I'm going to solve for them. So I'm going to use 3 here because it makes it easier to solve for 8. And then this one is going to be a 1. Again, process of elimination, this equals a 3. Now 3 minus 1 equals 2, so I know that this has to be a 4, which then makes this into a 1, and this becomes a 4. Again, this is just by a process of elimination. Because this is 3, and we're looking for 3 digits to add together to make 8, I know that 5 is not possible. So I'm going to put this as a 4, and this has to be a 1. Again, we're going to continue with the process of elimination because we have put in our numbers by making educated guesses and trying to solve for these equations. This is 1, and this is 5, and you've solved your puzzle.